Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure the project at your machine, a Spring project. So I just got a project, like for example I got a project here in Skype, so just download it from Skype at your end, and this will be the RAR file for the database. So I'm going to download it again, and this one also, and just going to get this file. It will be management. This the file name is employee mgd. There is a one file is called employee mgt.sql. so I'm going to copy this in my external device somewhere, keep this file somewhere inside your date folder. So inside the project folder I'm going to put this file. This is a SQL file, and the other file I need this one, emp.management, this one. So let's copy it and keep this file also in the same folder. Just extract the file, enter the password which you have, which will be p08. I think you can check the password. Showing me a wrong password, I think. Yeah, it's not correct. Is it? Yes. Now the password is working. Password is p@08, and the payroll management system is here for you. And now we need to import the database first. Like this database file is there, so you need to just make sure you are using the MySQL or MySQL version 1.5, I think I'm using. And if you don't have that version, so please send message me. I will give you a link from where that link you can download the link. So okay, so you can download the complete configuration or install that MySQL workbench your machine. So or you can use that Yoga SQL also. So just go open this and go on a server and data import. Click on the data import and enter your database password here, and just select the imports from self-contained file, and just browse that file which is you just put in your system. Like I think in data, this project, this file, import. Click on the start import and enter the password again, root. So the database is processing now. Okay, it's done. Just refresh the database and you can check the payroll system is here, payroll management, the database is here, and now the database is successfully there. Now you need to run your STS tool. If you don't have STS tool, or you are importing the Spring project, you must have the STS tool, which will help a lot because all the configurations are there already. So you don't need to configure the Spring at your machine or Spring root. So you can download this from this link. Just enter on Google STS tool, search, and open the very first link. Here you can download according to your version. Like if you are using Windows, you can just go and click on the zip. You don't need to install the software, you will get in a folder. So you just run the Eclipse file, this STS file, open it. It will look like this, and just go on file and click on import. Select, search here for Maven. There are lots of tools, Journal, Egypt, and you need to search for Maven and click on the existing Maven project. Click on next, the browser the exact file which you want import, or you can say your project. So inside this data and go on project, the project, just select this one file, payroll management, and click on OK. Make sure it will be checked and just click on finish. You can say the process is here. Let wait to finish it till 100%. You can see the payroll management system is here, but with some errors. We'll solve that error right now. Let's just right click on the project, go on property, and go for Java build path. Here inside the library, make sure you are using that 8.1 version of JDK, or change it in 8.1. And about the Maven dependency, you need to check the JDK 1.8, Apache 8.0, and Maven dependency. Inside the project feed, okay, just apply the changes and select the project facts, and here also you need to check 1.8. Click on apply again, let it be processed. I can see the error is gone already, and now you need to run the project. Just right click on the project, run run on server, and select the 8.0 or more than 8.0, the version of Tomcat. So just select. If you don't have the Tomcat installed, please download the Tomcat version, Tomcat from the Google. I'm going to show you how can you download this. It's Tomcat 8.5 or any version more than 8.0. Open it, open the very first link, and here just download this file according to your operating system. Like if we are using Windows, so I need to install this 64-bit Windows zip file. So when I click on download, the file will be downloaded, and just extract the file inside your drive. So in primary drive and C drive, you can see that Tomcat file is there. It will be a RAR file. Just extract it and put it like this, and like it's configured already, that's why it's showing like this. But if you are going to use the Tomcat first time, you need to select this manual define a new server, click on Apache and then 8.5 version, and just click on next. Now let it be processed. Okay, this time it's not asking. When you click on the next button, it will ask to the Tomcat file, so you need to browse it, and let me show you one more time. So I'm going to delete this first, then I think it will, and I'm going to delete this one also. You can see now the Tomcat server is not there, so again right click, run on server, select manually, and then Apache 8.5, click on next. Again it's taking the by default. I think I need to delete it from somewhere. It's not a big task. You can just add the browse that file, browse that folder, browse this folder, and you can easily start that server. Right now my server is working, I think. Yes, it's starting. and deploying the project as well. Yeah, click on welcome to employee management. Click on login and you can go over for the other things. Like for example, I was using this as admin. Okay, showing my wrong database. I think okay, I need to start the MySQL server as well. Make sure when you are going to run this project and you are inserting some data on database, your database server should be start or connected. So now I'm going to run that MySQL again, and just entering the password here. And to check the database, the user table. Here is the username as it is, and here is the password. It's not allowing me to copy this. 323. Okay, it's able to log in. So this way you can configure it your machine, and